Hello, welcome to the Yukon 4-H Summer STEM Series Level Up. My name is Mark Knoyer. I'm a 4-H educator and I'll be your host today. Today we are going to build our Popsicle paddle boat. So grab your Popsicle paddle boat kit and let's get started. In your kit you should have the following items. You should have 6 craft sticks, a piece of sandpaper, and a rubber band. You're also going to need some type of glue, whether it's a hot glue gun. I have some wood glue here, and I have some tacky glue. We're going to use the tacky glue today in our build, but you can use whatever you have. That'll work. The only thing I would say not to use is a glue stick, because I do not believe that glue is going to be strong enough, and it's not going to be waterproof. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to build our boat. You're also going to need some scissors, a utility knife, or something to cut your sticks into the appropriate sizes. When you're all done, you should have something that looks like this, our paddle boat. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your sticks and you need to cut it lengthwise along the length. And so I cut all my sticks ahead of time, so I have my 2 sticks ready. Then you're going to take a second stick and you're going to cut it in half this way. So you want 2 halves. So you'll see I have my 2 halves right here. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to put them together. And then I'm going to take my 2 half sticks that I had before and I'm going to put them on either side. So it should look something like that. Then we're going to cut 2 more pieces that we're going to use that are going to fit across the top. That's going to hold our boat together. Nice, get on there, nice and tight. All right, so I have glue on each of those pieces, and then I'm going to make sure these are all lined up the way I want them. And I'm going to take one of my sticks and I'm going to lay it right on top into the glue. Push it down nice and tight. No, it's just the way I want it. I'm going to let that set up. Then I'm going to take the glue, I'm going to do the same thing one more time for my other. Okay, put that one on like so. So now I've created a second layer on my boat of the 2 pieces going widthwise to connect my lengthwise pieces on the bottom. Okay, so now it should look something like that. Now I want to get 2 more pieces that I have here, and I want to put those along the back end the same way I just did those on the front. That's going to help hold the back of our boat. There. If you're using regular glue like I am right now, you're going to want to make sure that your boot has time to dry well before you try to put it in water. Okay. If you have access to hot glue, that works. The hot glue gun works the fastest. Put on a little bit more for the second board. Same thing we did the first time. Press those down nice and tight. And we'll let that dry. So now you'll see it should look something like that. Now, what we need to do is in the center here, we need to put a couple of little strips. So you'll see I cut some of mine into little tiny strips. And we're going to glue right along the side there. And these are going to help to hold our rubber band in place. Put my glue on. Those in place. going to go right along the edges of the center. So you'll see right there, along the edges there. There'll be a little hole right in the middle. Okay. Now, I've just got to take my last stick that I cut in half lengthwise, and that's going to go across the top to hold all this stuff together. Run a nice bead, glue everywhere along the edge here. So I'll do one side and then I'll come back and do the other. And I just want that stick to line up with my bottom stick. Push those all in on all the sections that I glued. They're all nice and tight. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now your boat should have 3 layers. Now, we got to make our paddle that's going to go across the middle. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to take my colored stick that I haven't used yet, and I need to measure, my paddle needs to fit in the middle of the hole. So I'm going to set this one aside so the glue can dry. I have one that I made earlier that we'll use because the glue's nice and dry on that one. So I need to cut a section that's going to fit inside that hole so we can spin around. And I did that earlier. I cut 2 sections, you'll see. And what I did is one side's the rounded end, and then on the other side I used my utility knife and I just kind of rounded that end so that it's rounded on both sides. Then what you need to do is you need to cut a little notch about halfway down in the middle of each of those, because that's how you're going to assemble your wheel. And for that I use this saw, this little utility saw that I had, but you can use whatever works. And you're going to take those two and you're going to slot them together. So when it's all done, it should look like a plus sign. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your rubber band, and remember how you had those holes in the middle? You're going to just feed that rubber band right through that hole. Go through this one, and you'll see I now have my rubber band. And I'm going to loop it around that back part of my boat. Come on. There we go. So then it just loops on to the back. So now I have the section running through the center of my boat. I'm going to take my paddle wheel and I'm going to feed that in between the 2 sections, my 2 sections of rubber band here. Okay? And then, so we'll take this one, spin it around. This one I know will work because it had. And then when you put it in the water, you let it go and your little paddle will spin and push your boat through the water. You can decorate your boat, you can draw on it. I had a little extra piece of my purple, so I put a little seat in the front. You can do whatever you want. Have fun. Let us know what you come up with, and be sure to check out our other bonus activities that we have this week, making another paddle boat with different materials, seeing what you have that might work. Until next time, my name is Mark Canoyer for Yukon Extension. Have a great day.